And this energy, the root center in general, it operates in pulses. Okay, sometimes it's on, sometimes it's off. It is not meant to be on all of the time. And there are going to be moments where you have the energy to make the moves, to like move forward, to start to create whatever it is. And there are other moments where you do not have that energy. And so much frustration, anger, bitterness, disappointment comes when we try to force movement when the energy isn't actually there. So learning to honor your own energy, and it's going to be very unique to you, is super, super important. And I am going to tell you a personal story about my own life, something that I just went through. So I have a defined root center, and I have channel 4253. This is the strength of cycles in BG5. It's maturation in human design, and it moves in distinct beginnings, middles, and endings. And it is a format energy, meaning it really pressurizes the entire abstract circuit. And I have a medical condition called cluster headaches. And these are headaches that they're extremely painful headaches that come in cycles, meaning that I can be completely pain-free for years. And then I can enter into a cycle where I experience like extreme pain on a daily basis for weeks, sometimes even months. And I actually am just coming out of one of these cycles. So I've been in one since the beginning of April. And what I recognize is that especially when you have a defined center, and we're going to get into this a little bit more deeply in a second, but you can use it in a healthy way, you can use it in an unhealthy way. And when I use my root in an unhealthy way, and I notice that I have been doing that I have been really internalizing my pressure. And then that's also had my defined willpower going, where I'm kind of using all of this defined motor energy to push through barriers, and I'm not paying attention to my strategy and authority, and I'm not resting. That triggers these cycles. And it's funny because the way the body works, when I have one of these cycles, I literally have to stop everything. Like I do not have the option of pushing or forcing through anything. I have to stop everything and do the absolute minimum, like to get by, but everything has to stop. And so this is just an example of like when you are using your energy, especially your defined energy, in unhealthy ways, eventually your body is just like, stop everything and you got to recover. So that's, the thing with human design, like honoring strategy and authority and not like overusing, especially like those defined motor centers and pressure centers. Like this is something that takes time. It is not something that one day you learn about strategy and authority and you're like, done. I am following it now. It's great all the time. I really like to think about this more like brushing your teeth, right? You brushed your teeth this morning, and you're going to have to do it again tonight and tomorrow and so on and so forth. Like we continuously go through this deconditioning process. We continue to get to engage and learn these lessons when we're off track. Our body will let us know, our not self themes will let us know, and it's really time to come back, nurture yourself, and really listen to your strategy and your authority. So your root operates in pulses. Sometimes it's on, sometimes it's off. It's not meant to be here for constant pressure. It's not about pushing and forcing yourself through things. And some of you are going to have a defined root like me, and some of you are going to have an undefined root. And if you look at your human design chart and you look at the square at the very, very bottom, if it is colored in on your chart, you have a defined root center, a defined drive and stamina. You have at least one channel that defines this and is a consistent part of your strengths of what you broadcast out into the world. Again, it can operate in a healthy or unhealthy way. I just gave an example of an unhealthy way of operating. And when you have this defined, you have a much more consistent way of experiencing pressure. And when you have it undefined, and I will also talk about completely open, when you have it undefined, that means, or open, that you are actually picking up pressure from what's going on around you. And this can be through other people around you. It can be through planetary transits, but you're bringing it in from the outside and you might be amplifying it. Now, if you have a defined root, you can be very consistent about pressure and you can put consistent pressure on yourself and on others. Now, again, this could be a positive thing or it could be a negative thing. So, for example, when I'm using my 4253, my strength of cycles in positive ways, I can really help other people move through entire cycles of beginnings, middles, and endings. I can help people start, I can help people move, and I can help people complete when I'm using it in an aligned way. Same for me. When this is part of what makes me a manifesting generator. This is a generative strength. Anybody that has this channel is going to be a generator or a manifesting generator because it defines the root, it defines the sacral. When I'm responding to the correct cycles to enter into, I am able to complete those cycles in very aligned ways. When I force myself into cycles that are not aligned, it is incredibly frustrating. I still have to go through the entire cycle. And if I somehow try to break that cycle off too soon, I will relive it in some other way, shape, or form down the road. Okay. So you might be using it in a healthy way. You might be using it in an unhealthy way. And you want to really be aware of that. And again, one of the easiest ways that to note if you're using this energy in an aligned, healthy, or misaligned, unhealthy way is, are you feeling you're not self-theme a lot? So if you're a generator, a manifesting generator, are you frustrated a lot? If you're a manifestor, are you angry a lot? If you are a projector, are you feeling a lot of bitterness, a lot of resentment? And if you're a reflector, are you really disappointed a lot, right? That could be a misuse of this energy. Now, if you're amplifying this energy, and obviously reflectors, you definitely fall into this category, you can feel pressure very intensely, even when it is not actually your pressure. And if you have an undefined root, but you have one of these gates defined on your design, we'll talk about these a little bit more later, and there's more information about this in the worksheet that you're also going to get. You're going to generally tend to funnel pressure through whatever gates you have defined. So you'll probably be most familiar with the energy of the defined gates. If your root is completely open, that means you can really amplify pressure in all kinds of different directions. When you have a completely open center, this is a really great source of wisdom. Okay, anytime you have an undefined center, it's a source of wisdom for you. If it's open, it's an incredible source of wisdom because you have access to all of the different energies in that center. Now, if your root is completely open, none of these are defined in your design, I would like you to look at these, and these. So the ones that are either on the spleen, on the sacral, or on the solar plexus, if any of those are defined, that's going to put pressure on the gate on the other side. So for example, if you have gate 55 on a completely open root, that's going to definitely draw some attention to gate 39. You're probably magnetizing people into your life that have gate 39 all the time, and you're probably amplifying that pressure a lot. And again, this is just for awareness. For those people that really like to dive deep into the gates, I do encourage you to look more deeply into those gates and what that means for you and how you amplify that pressure. So having a defined root, having an undefined root, having a completely open root, none of these are better or worse. They are just different, okay? Either you're consistent pressure, you're broadcasting it out to others, or it is inconsistent, you are taking it in and you are amplifying outside pressure, and you're designed to become incredibly wise about this, right? So you're either generating pressure yourself, which can be very supportive to other people if you're operating in a healthy way, or you're taking it in and amplifying it. All right, so I'm just going to take a quick pause here to see if there's any questions that have come up. So we have some defined, we've got the 952 here, and the 5432, totally undefined, completely open, only 55 defined. So that'll be very interesting, Susan, to look at the 39, right? The pressure to provoke feeling and emotion, because that's probably when your root gets defined. That's the fastest way for you to experience the pressure when somebody comes in with the 39. All right. So pressure is not your authority.